How to create an auto reply on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, log into your account, then click on your profile located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines on top right corner. In here, simply scroll all the way down till you find how others can interact with you. Click on message and story replies, then click on message request. In here you'll find allow access to messages. For this, you will have to download Meta Business Suite app. Simply download Meta Business Suite, log into your Instagram account, and then turn on allow access to messages. After you do that, you can simply add auto reply on Instagram. This is how to create an auto reply on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.